How's it going, guys? So I have a little bit of theoretical information about the deal the Asian My Show has posted. Um, because of the lease operator programs and how much money those trucks have already made the companies that originally purchased them, that is most likely the reason behind the price being so low. Asian My Show, drop a comment below and add a little clarity and detail on this. There's some trucking professionals out there looking for a truck of their own, and I'm sure you already received my text messages. Y'all take a look over at the Asian My Show. My spelled M-A-I. Y'all jump on over there, check out my buddy Alex. Phenomenal stand-up guy. And, to say the least, he's definitely a nice person. Very calm, cool, and professional. Keep the wheels on firm ground and make sure to keep your forward momentum from turning into vertical momentum. Thank you all and have a good one.